In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp call failed error on iPhone. So if you're frequently getting the WhatsApp call failed error while trying to call someone on WhatsApp, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off. This will actually slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you still have the problem, then here's the next guide. You just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down and find out the WhatsApp application. Go ahead and tap on WhatsApp. And first thing first, you just need to make sure that you have enabled the microphone and the camera access. And also if you scroll down, you'll get to see the live activities. You just need to enable this and also enable the background app refresh. Once you're done with this, just get back from here, get back to the main settings of your iPhone. And for the main settings, you just need to scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage here, and you just need to search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp here and tap on offload app. Tap offload app, and lastly go ahead and tap on reinstall app. This will actually reinstall the WhatsApp application. Don't worry, you will not lose any data from the WhatsApp. This will actually reinstall the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.